Welcome to Dex. Today, we'll show you how to create transactions effortlessly. To begin, log into your Dex account and head to the Transactions section. Next, click on the Add Transaction button. Now, fill in the required fields and add the payment method. Choose between e-checks or credit cards. Need to add a new user? Customize customer details by utilizing the Custom Customer field. Then enter transaction details. Review all details carefully, then click Submit to finalize the transaction. Remember to set recurring transactions up under the Schedules tab. Dex offers other ways to add transactions. You can add them from previous transactions and the same payment information will be copied, or you can add them directly from the Customers section and the customer information will be copied. With Dex, creating transactions is efficient and hassle-free. Simplify your transactions with Dex today.